The whole experience has been phenomenal. The first day was fantastic, and what I really liked was how you aligned a wedding entertainment with being on stage. Gosh, the second day we went deep. We deep dived, and it was phenomenal. I would tell them, come with an open mind, really open. Forget about preconceived ideas of what you think it's going to be, because it probably isn't going to be that. But come, be teachable, coachable, and just open to learn and see a new perspective, because that was key. Because I have a whole new perspective of what I believe to be possible, which is anything I want to dream, I can achieve. I would explain, you're going to get so much back if you come open and you take on board what you're being taught, you put it into practice, you're going to make that money back in a flash. So you're just investing into your future to get it back and to increase what you got back. Just thank you for sharing your gift, your talent, and you being a willing vessel to share what you've learned so that other people can benefit and grow. This is amazing.